We've now opened the template showing our drawing 1. So what I'm going to do first is, I'm going to go over the interface and just give you a brief explanation of what things are. Then what we'll do is, we'll put all of those things into practice, one by one. We'll start up here in the top left-hand corner. With the big A, that's our application menu. The application menu contains commands that are relevant for the drawing as a whole. So that means this is where we can create a new drawing. If we hover over, we get our drawing or sheet set. Next, we have the Open section. So we can open an existing drawing. We can open a drawing from AutoCAD Web, a sheet set, DGN, or sample files. We can also save our progress. We can save as so. We have our drawing for web template, standards, and other features. Next, we have our Import section where we can import PDF, PNG, or other formats. We can also export a DWF and so on. Then we have our Publish, which I'll explain in more detail later. We have our Print, our drawing utilities. And we can close. So we can either close the current drawing or close all drawings which we have currently open. If I come down to the bottom left-hand corner, meaning that I'm not selecting any of these options, on the left, that brings us here to our recent documents section, so the last two drawings which are open are then displayed in the recent documents. Again, if I wanted my library drawing to remain at the top, I'll select the pin and then unpin it. Once finished, we can also change the display as well. How we want our drawings to be displayed by order list, access date by size or by type. We can also show small icons, large icons, small images or large images, as well as our recent documents. We also have open documents, meaning whatever drawings we currently have open will be displayed here in the Open Documents section. As well, we have how we want those files to be displayed. At the top, we have our search command. So anything we wanted to search for within this area, we can type here. Bottom right-hand corner, we have Exit Autodesk AutoCAD. This will shut down the entire software. Not just close down the drawing, but actually close down AutoCAD. And to the left of that, we have our options. So I'll select my options. So in here, we have a series of different headings. Again, I'm not going to go into a lot of detail with this, but there are sections of this which we will refer back to throughout the course. So this is how we access our options within AutoCAD. So I'm going to cancel. So that was our application menu.